The emperor penguin, the largest of the penguins, moves to a freezing cold place during the spawn season to avoid natural enemies. How do penguins survive in Antarctica, where snowstorms hit more than 100 kilometers per hour at -50 degrees Celsius? Emperor penguins protect each other with their unique group behavior. Together, they form a large circular group to raise their body temperature, and when a snowstorm occurs, a huge group moves like a wave. At short intervals, the outer penguin goes inside a little, and the inner penguin comes outwards. Because the temperature inside and outside the group varies by more than 10 degrees, the outer penguins are sent inside to melt their bodies sequentially. This is the huddling of emperor penguins overcoming difficulties. They divide the heat evenly without discrimination and protect everyone's life. They know they can't stand the difficulties alone, so they chose to yield and rely on each other and survive together. As the days go by, the social and economic gap in human society is widening. People who have more push the socially disadvantaged out of the group to have more. Will that make them safe? I hope they learn how to survive the emperor penguin.